All right, now that we have our ham steak cut into rounds, we're gonna go ahead and grab that excess, put it to the side, save it for later. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab some English muffins. Yummy, put these right here. We're gonna open these babies up. We're just gonna grab our fork, stab it, and then whoop, all the way through. Woo. Look how easy that was. And we are putting those right onto our sheet pan with our ham steaks. All right, last one. I just organized this so we have our ham in the middle and our English muffins on this side. Now I'm gonna come in with some sharp cheddar cheese, the Tillamook cheese, the best cheese in the world. Go ahead and grab our slices, and we're gonna put one slice on our left side of English muffins, just like so. You can use whatever cheese you like. I just love a classic cheddar, but I also think American cheese would go well with this, or even some like Colby Jack, but whatever you like, just grab it from the store and put it on your English muffins. Now for our other side of English muffins, I'm gonna grab my garlic Parmesan basil seasoned butter, and we are just gonna grab some of this butter and spread it right on top of each slice of English muffin. Oh my goodness, this butter smells incredible. This is gonna be such a perfect breakfast, but you could also make it for lunch. You could do this with some bagels if you like bagels better than English muffins, or you could even just do it with some classic toast. Whatever you like for breakfast, that's what you can use. Okay, how does that look, babe?
Oh, this is looking tasty. It smells amazing.
Thank you. This butter is the trick. Okay, that looks great. And of course, this is a breakfast, so I'm gonna grab some eggs here, and we're gonna plop one egg on each of our English muffins, just like so. Woo! Look how easy this is. It's gonna be so good. I cannot wait to eat this. Of course, we did have one broken yolk, but you know, that always happens, so that's fine. Now I'm gonna season my eggs with some garlic powder. Just a light little sprinkle. I have some black pepper, and you can season your eggs however you like. I'm just doing it how I like. Look how they just sit on those English muffins so perfectly. And lastly, a little bit of sea salt. Now, if you're watching your sodium, you do not need to use the sea salt, but you guys know me. I love a little sodium. I love a little saltiness. Make it extra savory. Beautiful. Okay, guys, that is it. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Oh my, this smells so good. All right, this is all finished. Now, just to clarify, the ham was pre-cooked, so you don't have to stress about anything being underdone. I cooked the eggs to my liking. We're gonna go ahead and get that cheese up off of the sheet pan. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna flip that right on top of our ham like that.
Oh,
then we're gonna grab our ham and put it right on our egg. Now we have our breakfast sandwich. Woo, perfect. Look at that beautiful breakfast sandwich. Oh my. We have a delicious English muffin. We have that perfectly cooked egg, our ham. Now you could do bacon if you don't like ham, but I personally love the ham. All right, let's go ahead and cut this open. Let's take a look. Oh my goodness, that egg is cooked perfectly. Okay, let's give this a good try.
Is it good?
I could have this for breakfast every morning.